Back with Chris Piggott this morning from Leeuwin Metals. Chris, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good to get an update. Chris, as far as the Marda Gold Project acquisition, where are we with it?
Yeah, so we're still progressing our acquisition that we announced the end of last year. So we're purchasing the Marda Gold Project, 500 square k's of tenure, north of Southern Cross, multiple existing pits on mining leases. There's multiple drill hits for follow-up and targeting that we're currently doing. And the notice of meeting that went out a couple of weeks ago, so that meeting will be done on the 17th of this month. So only a week or two away. And then post completion, we'll be getting the keys to the project and being active gold explorers in Western Australia.
And tell us a bit more about some of these drill plans and what you're targeting.
Yeah, so since acquiring the project, we're undertaking a large database review and remodeling of all the geology. That's currently ongoing, but the kind of what we're seeing to date is extremely encouraging. And you could imagine what we're trying, like what we're seeing, right? There's old pits, there's drill hits below the pits, along the strike of the pits, other target areas that haven't really been followed up. And then I think more broadly, we have the opportunity to look at it through the eyes of a junior explorer in the current gold price. So that's definitely a positive light. And then I guess beyond that, we raised some money. We're going to be post the capital raise and the deal. We're going to have $4 million in the bank, so we're going to be well placed to do the work we need to do. And then we've hired a geologist. We've submitted POWs to the department. And we're looking at lining up. We've lined up drill contractors. All the kind of logistics that you need to get going on the ground. So you can get a sense that we're ready to go and raring to go. We just got to wait to completion. But then post completion, we're going to be ready and hit the ground running with drill rigs and lots of work programs in the field for 2025.
And I suppose the gold price has made a project such as this even more attractive.
Yeah, I think it's kind of a really kind of good time to be in WA gold and on Aussie gold in general. I mean, I think last night even the gold price touched $4,700. So it's pretty crazy times in the gold space. But I don't think the market's really kind of appreciated that fully yet. We've got a really strong gold price against the backdrop of a interesting equity markets. But I think eventually, once the kind of two kind of settle, once the markets kind of settle, I think companies like Leeuwin are going to be really well placed to be rewarded from any exploration success you have on your own projects. And I think for us, that's why we wanted to get a gold project in Western Australia. Exploration extremely cost effective. You got all the tailwinds on the gold price, and we just needed to find a project that had good geological opportunity. And I think Marda ticks all those boxes for us. And hopefully, it means that any kind of success with the drill bit will receive real positive news as far as share price goes.
Indeed. Good to see you, Chris. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.